All right, Unit 3, Lesson 5, Part 2. Hope you all had a great time with that first one. Let's check out our second example here. We want to write an equation for a line that passes through the point -1, 2, and has the slope of -1/2. If I was to write my equation, I need y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. We already know our m, so it's -1/2. We need a b still. That's what we're going to find out. Okay, like we said, our slope is -1/2. We don't know our b, so it's not given. We do know an ordered pair, -1, 2. So let's use this information and solve the equation. Well, you have a y, 2. You have an m, -1/2. You have an x, -1. I'm going to do -1/1, so we keep them both as fractions. But we don't know our b, so let's solve here. Let's simplify. 2 equals -1/2 times -1 is just a positive half plus b. Okay. Now let's do our next step and get rid of that +1/2 by subtracting a half from both sides. And we're left with 2 minus a half is 1.5. Or you could write 3/2 if you wanted to. Negative, or 1/2 minus a half is 0, and we're left with b. So 1.5 equals b. Let's write that out. Y equals -1/2 x plus, and I'm going to use this one here, 3/2. If you wrote either one, they're both right. I just like keeping them in fraction form. If I have fraction here, I'm going to keep it here. I don't want to use this mixed number. This here was called, if you don't remember, substitution. We substituted in our given values for our variables into our equation. And then we solved. The second one, write an equation that has a line that has a slope of 2. So I'm just going to write that out. M equals 2. And it has a xy ordered pair of 4, 5. And remember, we're using y equals mx plus b. Okay, now let's use that substitution. We have a y equals mx plus b. Simplifying, 5 equals 8 plus b. Well, we know that it's smaller, so we're going to use a negative number at the end. Let's solve this equation. We are going to subtract 8 from both sides. We're going to get 5 minus 8 is -3 equals b. So then we rewrite our equation. Y equals mx minus b. And this is the equation of a line that passes through the point 4, 5 and has a slope of 2. So m is 2, b is -3. That's it for part 2 of the video. 2 more to go. Check on back. Hope you're having a great day. If you have any questions, send a comment, a message on Schoology. Let me know how you're doing.